Hi everyone, it's a nice Sunday morning here in New Zealand. I just washed the Ford Mustang GT350 this morning and now I'm going to take it on a quick drive around the East Coast of Auckland. Let's start up the engine. That V8 startup sound is so good. This manual transmission is amazing. It's got a very short throw and very accurate. The GT350 is quite a rare car in New Zealand because this vehicle is only sold in the United States. You have to import this vehicle as a special interest vehicle into New Zealand. The main reason being that the driving position is actually on a different side from normal New Zealand cars. In New Zealand, we drive on the left-hand side of the road, but in the United States, they drive on the right-hand side of the road. So maybe there's only around 20-ish GT350s in New Zealand, so it makes this quite a rare vehicle to own or see on the road. This engine is so special. It's a flat plane crank V8. Ford only made this engine just for the GT350. This is the only car in the entire Ford brand lineup that has this Voodoo 5.2 V8 engine. This engine sounds so good. Listen to this. When you downshift, give it a squeeze. It just makes a great sound. Secondly is the transmission. The transmission is amazing. This Tremec 6-speed manual gearbox has really short throw, very accurate. So yeah, it's really great to use. The only complaint I might have is the clutch pedal is a little bit light. You know, but other than that, it's a great manual transmission. It's probably one of the best ones in my opinion. It's very comparable to the manual transmission in my S2000. They're both really good. The exterior of the GT350 looks very aggressive. I love that front opening. Look like a big mouth of a shark. This color is called Leadfoot Grey. It's a special color from 2018. I believe only cars from 2018 has this color. So all the vents are functional. And the side skirt looks great too. This rear diffuser is also functional too. And the stock exhaust sounds very good. This Voodoo engine is not just special because of the sound and the power it makes. It's also pretty special that it revs up to 8,250 revs. It's quite a high-revving engine for a big V8 like this. Well, it was really fun following the Elise. He's actually a friend of mine. we met just now on the road, coincidentally, and we decided to do a drive together. It's really fun following the Elise. You can definitely feel the weight of the Mustang. It's a bigger car, it's a heavier car. So through some of the tight and narrow twisty bits, the Elise just feels more nimble, I guess. I also have a Exige, Lotus Exige myself. So definitely through these twisty bits, the Lotuses feels much more nimble because of its weight advantage and the smaller footprint of the car. But that said, the Mustang is really good too. It's got a really nice Magnerite dampers, and the chassis setup is pretty good too. So you know, it's through these twisty roads, the Mustang still feels pretty nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just to show you a little bit about the GT350 Mustang. Hope you also enjoyed the drive and also the V8 sound. So please like and subscribe to help us to grow the channel. And I'll be showing you more content on the Mustang and some other cars as well. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.